So what we're going to be doing today on this Cherokee Grey Wolf 18RR is we're going to increase the storage space above the sink right here. So from the factory they have this piece and it's just screwed into the wall, and it leaves like all this open space that you could have if this was just straight back, kind of like this. I'm going to cut this to the right size, and it's going to give me a bunch more space here, so we can actually put a shelf here and have 2 rows of cups or whatever we want to put up here. So first of all, what we're going to do is just measure the distance from here to here. It's going to be 15 and a quarter. 15 and a quarter. 15 and a quarter. Alright, so we got our piece trimmed down to 15 and a quarter, and it should fit. Oh yeah, nice and snug. I think right there, and then just putting a screw in like that would be sufficient. There you have it, folks. Easy additional storage. All this extra space that was wasted. So now what we can do is measure this out, about 28 inches by 15, 28, 15, 15. We can find a shelving system that will split this in half basically. So something like this basically you can then install here in this rectangular opening, and you can have 2 rows of storage. So quick and easy. All you have to do is cut this piece down to 15 and a quarter inches and you're good to go. Next project is putting this guy on a hinge. I'm kind of scared to sit on this thing. It's gonna collapse or something. Basically, just gonna set this right here, about centered with this piece. So what we might have to do is come back through with a grinder and just grind off the tips here. So what I might do is kind of leave these up like this. Alright, so it works very well. So now we have hinged access to our storage down here. So another easy install, just something that makes this camper a little bit more user-friendly. These little additions make a lot of difference, so hopefully you found this helpful. It was super easy to do. So if you like these videos, stay tuned. We're going to do the solar next. These only come with a 50-watt panel, so we're going to put 2 150-watt panels, upgrade the batteries, and we'll show you how to do that, how to mount them. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks again for watching. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.